Welcome back. In this section, I want to tackle the problem that we have, especially when we're starting out. That is, how do I create a layout of a website? And it's probably the hardest thing to learn when you're starting off. How do you create something, let's say like this, that is responsive, that we see all across the web? A navigation bar, a header, some grids, a footer down here. And how do we really make it responsive? In this section, we're going to build an ideal web page layout so that moving forward, you have the baseline and foundation to go off and customize and build whatever sites you want that are responsive without spending a lot of time, trial and error, trying different things with CSS, hoping that it works. So I'm going to show you my recommended way of laying out web pages that is responsive and have that template available to you moving forward. We're also going to learn about a new feature in CSS called CSS Grid, which is really, really powerful. And as you'll learn, allows us to use this CSS Grid combined with Flexbox to honestly not even need things like Bootstrap 4 or other libraries that allow you to do grids. Back in the day, it was really, really hard to do layout in CSS. But with tools like CSS Grid and Flexbox, you now have the abilities to really build beautiful, responsive layouts really, really fast. So let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.